In this video, I'm going to showcase a very interesting pest, okay? They're really vicious to plants, eggplants particularly, some others, and they're also dangerous to humans. It's called the margined blister beetle.
I'm gonna place him with a scooter.
Pygmy eggplants. They're small. They're tiny. Some nice hot peppers too. This is the margined blister beetle. When threatened, they will excrete some crap or something on your skin and it causes a nasty blister. And guess what? They're destroying the eggplants. They're all over the place. There's one. There's one. They're all over the place. So my eggplants are pretty much done anyway. It's time to burn these guys. They do fly, they land on your neck and you swat them, you get a blister. They gotta go. All right, to get rid of an entire crop, if it's infested by something as complicated as a blister beetle, you gotta build a fire. Fortunately, I have a lot of branches and trees fell down from the last storm. Like this branch. Man, if this would have landed on somebody, man, they'd be dead or really hurting, depending on how it landed on them. I have no shortage of firewood, but I'm not gonna get my chainsaw out, and they're very thick logs. I'm just gonna use the branches for this little activity. The only question I have is, did they get all my eggplant or just the ones that I already taken the eggplants off? I mean, they're reflowering, so I was hoping to get some more. It's kind of like not the best crop where they only produce like one or two at a time. Where's that guy? I saw a blister beetle in here. There he is. See how far back they go. If they go all the way back, because I got a bunch of small eggplants growing back here. And I want them to get a little bigger. Yep, there's their poop. They're all the way back here. But those leaves don't look touched. I'm gonna go back and anything that has a leaf on it, I'm gonna take them off. Oh man, they're on all the eggplants are gone. Well, it's a lesson learned. Don't grow them all the way till August. Pull them out in July, because this is the first I've seen them is in August. So get them out by July, no problem. And I got plenty of them off there, but, well, not plenty of them there. There's not a lot to an eggplant. You get like one or two. Oh, look at all that poop. That's blister beetle poop. You even touch that, you probably get a blister. I think these little guys are smarter than originally thought. As soon as I went to cut down the eggplant, they all dropped to the ground. They all dropped to the ground. And then the bush next to them, they all started dropping the ground too. See them down there hiding? It's like they know. I still gotta get them out. Maybe I'll go ahead and, it's weird. Maybe I'll still get them out, the eggplants out, because they're gonna just climb right back up. Yeah, they're running away from the one plant and going to the other. Yeah, they're no dummies. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get them all. They just go to the ground. I'm just climbing up that one. I could just wait till they all climb up this one. It's like I knock one down, they drop off, and they go to the next one. So bizarre. All right, so they're not flying out of here. So the solution is to grab them on the ground with a glove on and just throw the whole wad in there. All we do? There's some blister beetles over there, cricket. Let's get them. All right, there are hundreds in there. I'm gonna get us started and then I'm gonna go for the other plants. Yep, that's the last of my eggplants. And all I have left, I was hoping to let those grow out. Some mini ones, but if I ever do want to grow again, I got my cedar. Time to burn. Indeed. Let me go on like a blister in the sun. Yeah, let me go on. Now that the fire is going, I'm gonna go along, pull out all the weeds in that area and look for more on the ground, put them in the gorilla cart. Now that I've gotten all the weeds up, I'm gonna go ahead and collect all of the blister beetles on the ground. There's not lots. There's handfuls. Occasionally I see one crawling. Inchworm. Anything moving. Did getting some ants, so I'm stopping about here. It's a good opportunity for me to check the soil quality too. All right, let me go get cricket. You can stay. Let's go along here, see if there's anything else in there. That looks about clear. All right, now that I've gotten all of the bugs out and they're in the fire mostly, I'm going back along, putting fresh piles of wood chips on it. And if there's any of those bugs in here, blister beetles, yep, there they are. Then I'm just gonna grab them, put them there. They'll crawl to the top. Oh, there's more than I thought over here. Look at them all. Come on, in you go. In you go. There's another one. So you throw the wood chips on the top and they're gonna come right up and expose themselves. There's another one. I will wash the gloves. If they leave this oil on me or the secretion on the gloves, it's still gonna give a blister later. All right, so yeah, put the wood chips on and check back and come and see if we get any more. Come to the top. And that bed is ready to plant again. The only thing I'm really kind of disappointed in is that in this process, the morning glories were wrapped all around the eggplants, and so they got destroyed. So no more hummingbirds around here, but that's okay. That's okay. Now I'm thinking I might just take this tilther through here, because there are some weeds in there. I'm just gonna kind of go through here. Might dig up an extra blister beetle as well. I usually don't water when I put the fresh wood chips down, but I had to wash my hands anyway in those gloves because of our friends, so I'm gonna water it anyway while I have the hose on. It does help break down a little bit faster. It gets that life in there, the bacterias. All right, we're gonna water it down. Well, the sun's coming up, starting to get hot. I'm not doing this area here because I have a workshop in about a week and we're gonna be putting compost down here. And I might film that for you. Let's see if everyone agrees that that's okay. They don't mind being filmed. All right, good. Well, that's it. That's the blister bug. That's how I take care of it. I'm not saying it's the only way. I'm not saying it's the best way. But here's what I do. Burn it down. And then next year, don't plant eggplant when these big bugs are in season, which is in the middle of August. So make sure they're out before, I'd say, August 1st, and you're good to go. That's when most of the eggplants I had anywhere, I was already pulling them. I was just going for a few more off the plants. So yeah, don't grow while the pests are in season. That's the lesson. All right, let's get a good look at this bad boy. All right, did you give him or her a name, Emily?
Love.
What are you calling him?
Love.
Love? Oh yeah, me loves me some blister bugs. See if I can get it focused here a little bit. So, very black with a white stripe. Let's see. Very black with a white stripe. There we go. It's all blurry. Let me try to refocus. I think I'm gonna take the lid off because it won't focus through the glass. Wanna do that, Emily? Let him fly around?
No.
Oh, she's running away. She didn't want to go again. I'll do it really quick. There we go. There's a good view. Pygmy eggplants. Oh, I'm gonna get them. They're small. They're tiny. Some nice hot peppers too. Look at these things, they're so cute, they're so small. Thanks to the beetles. So an eggplant is probably the most nasty vegetable on the planet. So if it's anything doesn't taste good or it's bland, what do? You deep fry it. So since I'm gonna be putting these in cocktail sauce, we're dipping them in cocktail sauce, I'm gonna use Red Lobster fish fry seasoning breading mix. So we're gonna make this taste like seafood, even though it's nasty food. So you don't need to moisten them or anything, just put them right in the bag. Pour the breading right in the top, and that's it. Put them in the refrigerator until you're ready to use them.
Love. No.
Plenty of room on this beach for visitors. I hope this video helped. I got another coming, so like and subscribe to catch next week. Before I go, I want to share something with you. I know firsthand the frustration that comes with spreadsheet garden planning and unreliable apps. That's why my son and I created the Garden Optimizer. It's a super simple tool with just 4 pages and accessible with 4 buttons. One page is your garden parameters, a second is for your climate parameters, and a third is for your crop definitions. But the real magic happens on the garden page. We took every measure to make the design of this page slicker and more convenient than any garden app out there. You can click on any given day of the year and the AI will show you what you should have in the ground and at what spacing. You can choose to plant in rows or staggered for the best profits or the laziest, lowest maintenance garden. And if you're late at any given task, just click a button to re-optimize and the AI will reroute your plan. But we want your feedback before release. To get involved, pause this video and go to gardenoptimizer.com. That's www.gardenoptimizer.com. Sign up for our newsletter and we'll contact you shortly. Until then, man up and grow.